Deep Pore Detox Blackhead Removal Results. Today we are performing a deep pore detox treatment combined with blackhead removal. Over time, pores can become clogged with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. This buildup can affect the appearance of the skin. This treatment focuses on cleaning the pores deeply and restoring a smooth, healthy look. What is Deep Pore Detox? Deep Pore Detox is a skincare treatment that removes impurities from inside the pores. When pores are clogged, they can lead to blackheads and uneven texture. Detox treatments help improve skin clarity and health. Deep cleansing preparation. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. Steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup. This makes extraction easier and more effective. Blackhead removal. Using professional tools, blackheads are removed from the pores. The process is done slowly to avoid damaging the skin. As the pores are cleaned, the skin becomes smoother. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore moisture. Final results. The final results show cleaner pores and smoother skin. Deep Pore Detox is an effective way to maintain healthy skin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.